Hi, it's Mandy Napier from Mindset for Success. Today I'd like to talk to you about time. And this was inspired from working with a client today who was feeling really stressed about the fact that she never had enough time for her and to do some of the things that were important for her in her life. And the problem is, if we believe we don't have enough time and we keep telling ourselves, I don't have enough time, what happens is that belief of not having enough time is like a lens we view the world through. So we'll never be able to see anything different if we keep telling ourselves the story that we don't have enough time. And the other thing here is that our brain works in patterns. So if we have a belief that we don't have enough time, our brain seeks for evidence in our experiences to endorse our beliefs. So it actually goes seeking for more evidence to prove to yourself that you don't have enough time, which exacerbates the problem. Then when you engage in a conversation with that little voice that says you don't have enough time, you're actually building it up and making it worse, because what we resist persists. So there's two simple ways to help yourself let go of that old belief of not having enough time. So the first step is you need to change that belief. And how do you do it? The first thing to do is to become aware of the stories that you're telling yourself. You see, most of our thoughts are habitual and our habits are run in our subconscious mind, which means beneath our conscious awareness. So you're not even aware of some of the stories that you're telling yourself. So just be curious and observe the things that you say. And as you start to be curious, you'll start to hear when you're telling yourself how busy you are, how you don't have enough time. When you start to become aware of it, you can then simply acknowledge it, say something like, let go, delete, delete, and then you need to replace it with something new. So creating a statement that is believable, such as, every day it's becoming easier to find plenty of time to do what's necessary. Or every day I'm easily finding more time. Or I always find time for what's truly important. So make a new statement that works for you, that helps you get rid of that old belief. And what will happen eventually, if you do it consistently and for long enough, it will slowly create a new program, which is a new belief, a new lens that you'll view the world through, and you won't feel so stressed. The second thing to do is, when you're in your busy mode and you're rushed, is to stop for a moment and connect with your why. And this why is, why are you doing what you're doing? So why are you going to this job or for work? And it's not just to pay the bills, it's what is a bigger purpose? What is the why that inspires you? And that might be to have financial freedom, because you love to travel, because you're saving for a house, or you want to be able to support your children. Whatever it is for you, connect with your why, and it almost recenters you, because our why comes from our heart. So it recenters you and it takes off the focus for being so stressed about not having enough time. It almost grounds you and brings you back to the present moment so that you can get clarity on why you're doing what you're doing. So those are two tips that I hope will be helpful for you. And there's a whole lot more around managing our time. And I would love it if you would like to join me. Check out my new 9-week program, Get Breakthrough Results, which is all about mastering ourselves, how and what we do, using our time, being more productive so that we can break through our results and get the results that we want this year. So thank you. It's Mandy from Mindset for Success.